Welcome to our technical series on BEAR Actuators. This is the BEAR. It's not a servo, it's the high-performance power module reimagining the future of robotics. The BEAR family currently features 4 series and 6 core models. Whether you need lightweight agility or extreme torque, the entire lineup is now available on our official online store at store.westwoodrobotics.io. When you look at this spec sheet, focus on 2 things. Number 1, voltage. Every BEAR series has a specific input range. Do not exceed it or you'll risk damaging the internal driver. Number 2, stall torque. This represents the maximum force the motor can deliver for a specified amount of time while keeping its temperature rise under 55 degrees Celsius. For the engineers out there, our SDK manual has more details waiting for you. Wiring is straightforward. For power, we use standard XT series connectors. Just remember this: the flat side is positive and the rounded side is ground. For communication, every BEAR features 2 identical 6-pin signal ports, including GND, E-stop, and RS485, A and B. These support standard daisy chaining, which keeps your robot's wiring clean, organized, and extremely stable. A standout feature here is our unique pass-through A and B pins. In complex setups like dual-arm or legged robots, traditional wiring often requires excessively long cables or multiple USB adapters, which leads to signal noise. With our pass-through channels, you can create a fork chain structure, allowing the signal to pass directly through the actuator body to start a new branch. This keeps your wiring short while maintaining high signal integrity. We offer a wide variety of pre-made cables on our online store to fit any setup. Just a final reminder, ensure all BEARs in the same chain, share the same baud rate, have unique IDs, and receive their correct supply voltage. If your signal line is long, don't forget to add a 120 ohm terminal resistor at the end to keep the communication noise-free. The BEAR tells you its status through 3 LEDs on the back. Green means initialization is successful and you're ready to go. Blue means torque is enabled, the motor is now powered and active. Red indicates an error. Every data packet from BEAR includes an 8-bit error code. Think of bit 7 as your heartbeat. It stays at 1 to show the connection is alive, while the other 7 bits track the actuator's health in real time. Bits 0 and 1 are just warnings for signal noise or heat. Bits 2 to 4 are operational errors, like a triggered E-stop or a missing position. These will stop the motor to keep your system safe. Bit 5 represents a hardware fault, such as input voltage out of range or a MOSFET driver issue. Check your power supply immediately if this appears. Finally, bit 6 indicates an initialization error, such as a corrupted save file in Flash or a need for recalibration. Crucially, bit 6 often suggests a critical internal failure. If you see this, please stop the operation and contact the Westwood Robotics team for support. The soul of the BEAR lies in its 4 distinct control modes. First, torque mode. This is direct current control. Whatever current you send is the force you get. It's like having a force amplifier in your hands. Second, velocity mode. Think of it as cruise control. The motor maintains a steady speed regardless of the resistance it hits. Third, position mode. This is your classic point and shoot mode for high precision angular positioning. And finally, direct force mode, the one that is widely used in dynamic robots nowadays. By mixing position, velocity, and torque, you can make the motor act like a physical spring. You can adjust the stiffness directly in the code. This is the secret to bio-inspired fluid movement. Now that you know the hardware and the modes, you're ready to start building. Ready to bring your robot to life? Head over to store.westwoodrobotics.io right now to explore the full BEAR lineup and find the perfect power module for your project. Don't forget to grab the cables and accessories you need for a clean, professional setup. Your high-performance robotics journey starts here.